Let me show you how we can reset your iPhone 17 if you don't remember the passcode. So in this case, we're gonna use, of course, a computer. In my case, I have a Windows PC, so I'm gonna use that. But generally speaking, if you have a Mac, then you want to use the Finder app, and we want to connect your iPhone 17 to your Mac using the USB cable. You will have to confirm that you trust the computer on your iPhone, or you will have to just go to the Finder app and select your iPhone from the sidebar, and you will have to choose to restore backup. And also, if you don't have the Finder app on your Mac, then you can also use iTunes for that. But we're just gonna connect the USB cable to our computer. There we go. And once we do that, we can turn our iPhone off. So we can press either volume button and side button, and you want to hold it until you see the power menu, and let's slide it to the right side. Wait a couple of seconds to let the iPhone completely shut down. And after that, you want to press and hold the sidebar, sorry, not sidebar, the side button or power button. And you want to keep holding it until you are in the recovery mode or restore mode. So first you will see the Apple logo, of course, but you want to keep holding even if you see it. So as you can see, we have the Apple logo, but we want to keep holding the side button, and now we can release the button. And if you use Windows, then in that case you want to get the Apple Devices app, which you can find, for example, in the Microsoft Store. And you will see, for example, this window that there is a problem with the iPhone, and that requires to be updated or restored. So in this case, you can choose Restore. Keep in mind that, of course, in order to make the full restoration of the iPhone, you will get rid of everything that you have on the phone, so you will lose everything unless this data that you have on iCloud, for example, of course. So keep that in mind. In case you don't see this option, this window over here, like this one that's just popping up all the time, then you also have Restore iPhone over here that you can use in order to do exactly the same thing. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.